Hey guys, today I've got my air fryer potato recipe that I'm going to share with you. These are just a quick little, it tastes like a twice baked potato that I do in the air fryer at work because it's quick and easy that I can make it at work to just snack on throughout the day. Typically, I add in bacon. I did not have any on the day that I recorded this, so if you did want to add bacon into there, I just added in at the end. I already cooked and crumbled up. I just added in when I add in the cheese and kind of mix it all together. I hope you enjoy. It only takes a few minutes and oh my goodness, they are so good. And I'm certain that the air fryer makes that crispy outside. Well, and I rub it in melted butter and a little bit of salt, but oh my goodness, it's so good. Probably not healthy, but very delicious anyway, and it's straight from the garden, so at least there's that. So to begin with, for this recipe, I like to use potatoes that are straight from my garden. However, if you don't have garden fresh potatoes, you can use any small potatoes of any kind. First, you'll want to wash them really good, and then you're going to slice them in half. Once you put them in the air fryer, I cook them at 400 for 10 to 12 minutes, depending on your air fryer. I would start at 10 minutes and then go from there if they need a little more time. Once they're done cooking, I let them cool down a little bit, and then I just take a knife and kind of score around the center, and then I slide it underneath the potato to loosen it, and then I pop out the inside. I just pop that into a bowl, and then I mash that up with a fork. Sometimes if it's not soft enough to mash, I will stick it in the microwave for about 5 minutes and then try it again. Once I've mashed it, then I go ahead and mix in some butter, some shredded cheese, bacon if I'm using it, and obviously a lot of salt and pepper. From there, I just use a spoon and I scoop out the filling and stuff it in the potatoes, and then I layer them in the air fryer and cook it at 400 for about 5 more minutes, and that gives it that nice crispiness. I'll have the full recipe on the website and in the description. And remember, don't forget to compost your scraps. I hope that you all will go the second mile for somebody today and with your resources. Have a great day, everyone. Thanks for watching.